A pair of panties looks simple, but it isn't. It's part of a global system most people never see. Because before it reaches you, every panty begins here. From this thread emerges a global system of farms, factories, engineering floors, logistics networks, and design ecosystems. The panty is a small garment, but its supply chain spans the world. Cotton, modal, microfiber, lace. Each material begins in a different place. Cotton is harvested, cleaned, combed. Modal begins as cellulose pulp, refined into soft, resilient fibers. Microfiber is extruded through heated nozzles, producing synthetic filaments. Lace is engineered on specialized looms, forming tensioned geometric structures. These materials form the foundations of comfort, durability, and design. But before any fabric is sewn, panties are engineered. Design teams draft digital patterns with precision. Fractions of millimeters influence fit. Elastic tension curves, seam placement, and silhouette geometry are calculated. Patterns are graded for sizes, ensuring consistent fit across the range. Fabric rolls are laid in long stacks. Automated blades or lasers cut dozens of layers at once. Panels emerge: fronts, backs, gussets, waistbands. Cutting rooms determine efficiency, minimizing waste while preserving accuracy. Bundles are labeled and distributed to assembly lines. Sewing lines operate in coordinated stages. Gussets are attached first, the foundation of comfort and hygiene. Side seams are joined with overlock machines. Waist and leg elastics are stitched or bonded. Labels, trims, and lace edges complete each silhouette. Every step is optimized for speed, consistency, and durability. There are additional supply chains that feed into production. These include elastic factories, lace manufacturers, waistband producers, and accessory suppliers for bows, tags, and hardware. These components travel globally to converge in final assembly. Finished panties pass through quality checks including waist tension, leg opening stretch, seam strength, and fabric consistency. Every batch is inspected by hand and machine. Panties that pass continue. Those that fail are recycled or repaired. Panties are folded, packaged, barcoded, and boxed. Shipments move through warehouses, then to distribution centers. Retail, e-commerce, and micro-brand fulfillment are all handled by different logistical pathways. Small brands work differently. They produce small batch orders. They have limited run colorways. They use direct-to-customer packaging tables. And they market with social media-driven releases. The supply system now accommodates brands of every scale. From fiber to fabric, from pattern to product. The panty supply chain is a network of precision, coordination, and global reach.